Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is another update to the questions and answer for the November 2019 update. Some interesting questions have popped up that I will actually answer here. First question, how big is this update? Well, it's actually quite small. Usually the big feature updates for Windows are several gigabytes download because they are full versions of Windows that actually download to your PC. So typically you'll have from 3 to 4 gigabytes downloaded in a feature update. Well, the November 2019 update is several hundred megabytes. It's a small update compared to a feature update. So it is less than half a gigabyte, that's for sure. It will be, and it's like a cumulative update. So basically what happens is that the November 2019 update will apply that update only if you are up to date with the Patch Tuesday updates. That also means that if you are on Patch Tuesday updates and you got everything installed, it will be the smallest. If you would be behind in your updates, there will be other updates added. Cumulative updates are cumulative, so that means that everything that you miss, everything that you haven't actually installed in updates, is part of that download. So if you're far behind in updates, well, that will be a bigger update. But for most of you that actually keep your systems up to date, that update is actually quite small, only a few hundred megabytes probably download. So it's a small update. It shouldn't take a lot of time to download to your PC. The second question, how long does it take to install? Well, it's a cumulative update, so it actually updates your system. It's a little longer than a regular Patch Tuesday update. I will say that. But it's not as long as a feature update because it is much smaller and doesn't require your system to restart, like 5, 6, 7 times. It doesn't require system to, have that update being prepared, and then you have, your PC is not usable for a certain time while it actually installs, because this is really just a cumulative update. So it's like a Patch Tuesday update. Will be a little longer, but for the most part, I don't think this is going to take a lot of time on most of your PCs. Here, I actually applied it to my May 2019 update machine. It actually pushed me, I would say it took me maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. It was quite fast in update. The other question, if I'm on 1803 or if I'm on 1809 and I want to move on to this November 2019 update, will it go directly from 1803 or 1809 to 1909, which is the November 2019 update? No, because this is not a feature update on its own. It is actually a tweaked or a upgraded May 2019 update, if you want. So it will actually push you to the May 2019 update, 1903, and then apply the cumulative update to bring it to November 2019 update. So it's kind of you have no choice because it's not a version of Windows on its own like all feature updates in the past. It's really a upgrade package. So anybody that moves on from 1803 or 1809 will have to go through the install process, which is a big feature update process of the May 2019 update, 1903. Once that is done, you'll probably have applied after the cumulative update that brings you to November 2019 update. Could it all be done in one package or one session? It's not impossible. It might actually apply because when you get new feature upgrades or feature updates, often what it does is apply cumulative updates. And so when you are actually officially in Windows, you're at the latest updates. So there's probably a possibility that you will be moved to May 2019 update, not even notice it, and for the simple reason that they will already have applied the cumulative update that upgrades you to 1909. So you might not see the process happen. But if you do fall into 1903, you will see a cumulative update to bring you to November 2019 update. So these are the latest questions that I'm answering for the November 2019 update. If you got questions, don't hesitate to ask. And last but not least, a lot of people are installing this and are actually having a great time. This seems to be a good upgrade. So I think it's gonna go. Hopefully, it's gonna go well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.